The sun's trying to come out for us. Got a little bit of blue sky up there with a little bit of clouds. Keeps popping in and out. But I'm at the deck of 403 Margate. Just the absolute perfect height. You're seeing over the top of everything, but you're still picking up the surf, the beach, the dunes, the sea oats, the tropical feel of all the palm trees, the pools. I mean, it's just a great height. And you have just enough height to have it completely private. 403 is also located on a club floor in the Margate Tower of Kingston Plantation. Club floors are restricted access and restricted rental floor. You can only rent in periods of 30 days or more here. This is a very nice size, 2,400 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3 full bathroom, plus this deck on top of the 2,400 interior square feet. Direct ocean front, morning sunrise is right out there. Coming into the interior, just lovely. Well put together. The home is being sold fully furnished. There will be some pieces that the owner will be taking, but 95% of what you see will stay with the home. Got wood tile floors, crown molding, smooth ceilings throughout, which is a big, big plus. Who likes popcorn? And again, just the direct oceanfront view from the windows. 4 panels of glass, 2 on the sliders here, and then 2 stationary panels here as well. But the home is just in absolute immaculate shape. You know, a little bit of view. That might be a little glary coming in through the window there just because we got a partly cloudy day. But the home is in great, great condition. Plenty of room for dining area. The break front will stay. Some of the glasses may stay, may not. Double door entry coming in, so a real sense of arrival when you come into the home. Large, large kitchen, bar area. Quartz countertops, newly done. All new appliances. The wine beverage cooler. All Samsung stainless steel. She got the double oven here. Huge microwave. Oh my God, it's big. French door refrigerator with the 2 drawers. The large basin sink. Dishwasher. One nice thing about the Margate, it also has a laundry room, which is very nice. Side by side. Electrolux here. Laundry sink. And though she's got a couple things in front of it just from storage, she doesn't use this, but you can see another door, what we call the beach door or mudroom door, whatever you'd like to call it. Being down here at Myrtle Beach, it's the beach door. But if you want to come in with the kids, you've got the laundry sink right here. You've got the laundry facility here. How easy is that when you come in? So just everything is just as immaculate as it looks. Bring you into the master first. Bedrooms are all split apart. So master bedroom here on the right, guest bedroom on the left. 3rd bedroom and bath by the front corner there. Look at the size of this master. It's incredible. It's incredible. And this is big furniture. Look at the size of that nightstand. It's got to be a 40-inch nightstand. Again, smooth ceilings, crown molding throughout, 9-foot ceilings. Of course, that door goes right out onto the balcony that we started the video on. And then let me show you also the newly upgraded bathroom. Black granite floors, so that's absolute black granite, what that's called. Just redid the bathroom, double vanities, framed mirrors, lighting. Check out the shower. Beautiful. Walk-in shower, full tile surround. bench seat to shave your legs or take a rest, whatever it might be. Commode over here in the corner. And then here, where you see the barn door, if you haven't seen that yet, going into a very, very nice size walk-in closet, all with custom closet area for you. Nice size. Nice size. And then back out to the vanity area. Again, one last quick pan of the master before we leave this room. I mean, incredible size, isn't it? Just really great. I mean, the whole home is nice size. Guest bedroom. Charming. 2 queen beds. Certainly direct oceanfront view. There's that sun coming out just a little bit more right now. Just tastefully put together. Good sized closet. Sorry, didn't flip on that light ahead of time. Should have. And then again, the black granite floors here. Vanity, granite countertop again. Linen closets, just good storage space everywhere. And then, of course, with this being the Margate, there's also storage, hallway storage, owner storage, literally right across the hall from this particular condominium that is deeded to you. It's about a 4x6 area, 9 foot high. And it's a steel door, walled area. So it's what I refer to as a civilized storage. No, everybody's not gawking at your stuff here. All temperature controlled, so it's fabulous. His third bedroom, which some people use as a den. This is actually a trundle bed that she has for the kids when they come down. And back to the double door tray ceiling here, as there was, and I don't think I pointed it out in the kitchen, but tray ceiling in the kitchen. And again, you can see how the crown molding is just continuing everywhere. So, absolute wonderful condo, 403 Margate, 3 bedroom, 3 full bathroom, direct ocean front, very, very livable size, great second home, privacy galore with this being on a restricted access floor, restricted rentals. Almost, if you're not bumping into a neighbor, you're not bumping into anybody. Give us a call, because this one is special.